Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Taylor Swift's red bodysuit from the Fate of Ophelia music video on Dress to Impress. So I am going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments, which is just the hair. So yeah, I didn't also use VIP, so it's free. Grab this hair and color it. This color FDC6A1. I don't think I made any adjustments on that. And this hair in the same color. Position the Y to 0.45, Z 0.63, and scale it to 0.30. Now for the outfit, you do need the summer items for it. So view chest, go to summer, and you are going to select the bathing suit. Color it this color 843333. You're going to save that for all of your reds. And then select the glitter material, and then for the trim, use the silk one, same color, and then the bow, I use glitter. Then you're going to get the boots that you got from the summer quest. Select only belt and color it the same color as the rest of the reds. Then you are going to use these shoes in the pointy one in the same color in silk. And then for the gloves, we're just going to use these ones in the same color in silk, and then the second one in glitter. Sorry for the motorcycle noise. Grab this necklace and color it white in glitter for all of it. I'm just going to scale it down a little bit actually. Come to think of it, like her necklace is like way smaller. So I am going to adjust this. Okay, I think it needs to be backwards just a little bit. I need to rotate it even more so it shows. Okay, I might have to scale it up just a little. Okay, that's good enough. And you're going to grab these earrings in white and glitter. I might just leave the necklace the size, honestly, because I don't know, it looks weird. Gosh, why won't this apply? There we go. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.